So the Council's announced a climate change emergency and a target of being net zero by 2030, and this project is working towards that aim.
The overall aims of the project were to replace the original gas-fired boilers with a new air source heating system. The Welsh Government Energy Service assessed the initial application, approved the funding, and then have supported us throughout with technical backup in relation to the design. The heat pumps and the coolers are big units and finding space for them has been difficult, particularly with proximity to the Afon Cefnogir and flood risking. I think the key point is to be brave around it. We will all have older buildings and retrofitting is a challenge, but crucially I think the technology is there, the solutions are available. There tends to be an assumption that heat pumps are only suitable for particularly highly insulated new buildings. This is very much not the case here. So it's been designed to deliver an equivalent heat output to the original gas-fired system. So it's a high flow temperature system. It's expected that the project will save approximately 8,100 tonnes of carbon. This project is part of a broader scheme of decarbonisation measures. We've already installed LED lighting and heating controls. There is a PV installation on the roof, and we will be going ahead with solar carports in the near future.
This project will help us reduce and remove our use of natural gas for heating our headquarters and move us towards using electrical-based heating systems instead.